Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, please consider to press the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, please press the like button on this video. I went on a helicopter tour around the city of Ottawa, and I thought to share the breathtaking beauty of the city, and I wish you happy viewing. This is the takeoff point at the Gatineau side of the city. This is downtown Ottawa, and you can see a lot of high-rise buildings. It looks so beautiful. Looking at the area view from the helicopter, it's so beautiful. And here is the Ottawa River as well, which is Ottawa Gatineau River. It's so beautiful. It's a nice experience looking at the city right from the helicopter. This is when we're about to land from the store. It's so beautiful and I had a nice time. I hope you also had a nice time watching this video, looking at the city plans and how beautiful Ottawa is. And yeah, you can come for a vacation one of these days and we'll be happy to host you. Yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, it's a long video. I hope you had a nice time. You can see the view of the city. That's Ottawa and Gatineau, showing you downtown and the beautiful space and well-planned city in this video.